Hi, it's Hard Reset, and today I'll show you how to fix mobile data not working on Nothing Phone 4a Pro. First, go into the mobile data, disable and enable again. You can also find a airplane mode, enable it for a couple of seconds and then disable. Now into the settings mode. Here find the network and internet. Here the eSIM and make sure that it is enabled. Go into your right here into your mobile data. Make sure that the mobile data here is enabled. You can change the preferred network type from 5G to 4G. And that's pretty much it. You can also restart your phone by clicking the power button and the volume up button and then restart. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.